Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Passat. The Volkswagen Passat is roomy and powerful. It is a supple and controlled ride with a quiet and comfortable ride. Volkswagen brings it all together and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, CD player, electronic stability control, heated front seats, power windows. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.